Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is Rob. Welcome to another 2-Minute Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about the value, the power behind an options term called open interest. And if we take a look at the chart, we're looking at UA, which is Under Armour. And what UA is showing us is a series of options. And there is a video that we have done, multiple videos on options and their option chains that you can check it out. In this video, I just want to talk about why open interest is so important. So if we look at Under Armour here, and you can see you got the strike prices in the center section here. And if I have this strike price right here, the 16.5, if I look at that option on the call side and say, I am bullish, I want to buy the $16.5 call on Under Armour, I can do that, and I would spend $2.10 at the ask or $1.85 at the mid price. Okay? Well, now what? Well, I never checked open interest. What is open interest? Let me ask you a question. Do you like going to parties? I bet most of you like going to parties. How many of you like to be at the party all by yourself? Probably no one, unless it's a pity party, right? That's not what we want here. If that person, that one person, that open interest says one person, one contract was traded and is open in somebody's hands, when that person goes to exit the trade, look at the difference of the bid-ask spread. We're talking about 50 cents in there. When you go to negotiate that and get out of that trade, the market maker is going to go, wait a second, there's one person that has one. They're trying to sell it. Why would I give them anything? An inch? Why? They have no reason to negotiate. Don't ever be the only person at the party. Make sure that there is at least 100 open interest on any long position you're doing, a buy to open, not a selling position, on a long position where you're entering into the trade as a buyer, not a seller. For a seller, we don't really care about the open interest the same way. It has a slight different variation to it. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, there you're done. There's your 2-Minute Tuesday. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you at our next update. Take care then. Bye. Folks, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the training. Now, if you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up and go ahead and hit the subscribe button right over here and hit the bell to keep up with all the latest trading content. And oh, did you know that we have a podcast? Supercharge your trading education with the Stock Market Millionaire, which you can find in the description down below. And while you're there, you can also find other amazing free trading resources that I put together just for you.